Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a gel polish look. I'm really excited to start incorporating some of these. Now, I have enhancements on my nails right now that are almost a week old when I start doing this. But the best thing about this tutorial is you don't need enhancements on, so I'm just going to walk you through as if it is just a gel tutorial. So as you can see, I took 129 from Ugly Duckling, and this is a pretty like dusty rose kind of color. I wanted something a little bit darker than the picture that I go off of, which I will show once we get into the actual design. And I just really loved this design, but I wanted it a little bit more dusty. So again, I'm taking my time on this. This is super hard to do with my non-dominant hand. So I'm a righty, so my right hand is my dominant hand, and I'm painting with my left hand. So you can see it takes me a lot longer, but I want to start incorporating some tutorials with my non-dominant hand. And because every time I do a tutorial, it's usually with my dominant hand, and my non-dominant hand is already done with the same design. Well, lately I have been doing two different designs, one on my non-dominant hand and one on my dominant hand, to give you guys more tutorials. And I've actually been really enjoying having more content available to me, and hopefully you guys do too. And I think it would be awesome to have non-dominant hand tutorials as well. Obviously, I'm going to do easier tutorials on my non-dominant hand versus tutorials that are like super complicated, probably. Just gonna throw that out. Unless I find something that I'm like obsessed with, then I may have both hands match. Yeah, I just realized I haven't talked about anything in this tutorial that is productive, although I'm still painting my nails. So you can see I just push it back, bring it down, and I go over to the side a little bit, and I'm always bringing my brush back to center. And I find that's the easiest way to keep it clean. Obviously, my nails are not going to be 100% clean. I will have to wipe some off, and then when I can get it closer to my face and not so far away, there may be touch-ups. So here is the inspiration by Haley Hallmark. It kind of flashed off the screen, but I'm taking the black from Ugly Duckling, which is number 43, putting it on a tile, and even this was way too much, and I was like, oh, it's just this tiny dot. It's a lot. You didn't need a lot. I'm taking the shorty brush. Now, I don't know if this was the right call. I wonder if I should have done the middle-sized one. I don't know. But my hand painting, we struggle, okay? We struggle. So I'm coming in and doing some stars, and I'm keeping the first two nails in real time, and then, you know, we move on with our lives and we fast forward because you're literally seeing me do it. You can see I'm shaking. I just wanted to show you real life, like not everything you see in a tutorial. Like there, of course, you're gonna show the best things. I leave some of my mistakes in. It's just something that I thought would be kind of nice to add to the tutorial, but of course leaving this as a fast forward once we get to the last two nails, because I guarantee, or no, three nails, because I guarantee you're not gonna want to sit here and watch me kind of struggle. So I'm gonna leave you, and I'll catch you back towards the end of the tutorial. now that we are finishing up that thumb, it just came together and I love this so much. So I give this a full cure, and then we come in with flat matte because these look amazing matte. You can keep them shiny, and I'll show you both like usual when I do matte nails now. And I just love it so much. I fell in love with this simple but challenging tutorial to do with your non-numbing hand. So we will put this on, we'll put some cuticle oil on, and then that will be it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll